Techray Medical Technology Company Limited is a global medical technology enterprise with oxygen as the core, which provides advanced medical oxygen plant system, medical gas system, nursing call system, hospital purification engineering solutions, oxygen chamber, and oxygen environment in Changsha, Hunan, China. Founded in 2007 with a science and technology zone of over 40,000 square meters, integrating R&D, production, sales, and after service. We are a team of 500 passionate people who are committed to achieving customer satisfaction through our core values of open communication, innovation, and professionalism. Techray Medical Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer that's specializing in oxygen plant system. We adopt advanced PSA modular technique to replace the traditional twin tower type that can maintain high efficiency and extend service life of the equipment. It has various types, including all-in-one, containerized type, skid-mounted type, and small-sized series for our customers to choose from it. We strictly follow the 18 quality control systems, which ensure that customers receive high-quality products and first-class service in cooperation with Techray.